With endless products on Amazon, creating standout visual content is essential for grabbing customers' attention. Photos and videos that showcase products differently than the comps make the difference between a shopper clicking or scrolling past your listing. This video covers 5 best practices for optimizing your content and a few bonus insights to boost your Amazon listings conversion rate. I'll share tips for getting compelling product photos and videos no matter what you sell. So let's now dive into some pro tips and strategies for taking polished, professional photos and videos that convert Amazon shoppers into buyers. Tip number 1, take photos of the product from multiple angles: front, back, sides, and top down. Different angles can highlight important features that aren't visible head-on. For example, the back view could show ports and connections, the side view reveals thickness and profile, and top-down provides the overall shape from above. Also, after you get all these images, you can remove the background and import that image into an AI image generator tool and potentially have even more images created with your product in different environments. According to studies, listings with multi-angle product photos have 65% higher conversion rate than single view listings. The more angles provided, the better understanding they will have. A bonus tip would be to also get shots of the product in hands, because that helps the shopper easily understand the size of the product. Tip number 2, shoot flat lay style photos on a clean, simple background to keep the focus on the product. Flat lay photography is an excellent way to highlight products on a clean and simple background. Arranging items attractively on a smooth surface and shooting from above removes any distracting surroundings and keeps the focus entirely on the product itself. The minimalist style elevates the product as the hero. Listings with flat lay product images receive up to 50% more clicks than listings without them. Flat lay images are also great social media friendly images and allows the photographer to get creative with the props and backgrounds to have more variety. Tip number 3, show products being used by people to establish real-world context and value. Featuring lifestyle imagery that depicts products being actively used or worn can go a long way in establishing real-world value and context for customers browsing Amazon. People connect more when they can envision a product fitting into their lives. Showing the product in use by a model, whether in a kitchen, bathroom, living room, office, or outside environment, helps shoppers understand its purpose, functionality, size, who it's meant for, and overall benefits. This authenticity resonates and builds engagement. It also will set your product apart from your competitors because not a lot of people on Amazon are getting these real life images that are actually real. A lot of sellers are photoshopping their product into a stock image, and that is a huge no-no. Tip number 4, create automated GIFs or spinning 360 videos to showcase products interactively. Bringing products to life through animated GIFs and 360-degree spin videos helps customers visually inspect items interactively. It can boost conversions by up to 144% over traditional static images. 3D renders and animated content catches attention and holds interest longer than just a photo. Integrating smooth product spins, zoom-ins, and dynamic motion graphics makes listings more engaging. You can also use these short video clips as PPC ads in the search results or as B-roll clips in other videos. Tip number 5, create short 15 to 60 second demonstration videos to showcase your product's key features and benefits. Let the product speak for itself. Demo videos are an impactful way to highlight a product's key features and unique selling points in action, but be sure to keep them concise at 15 to 60 seconds long, just enough time to showcase the product in use and articulate top benefits. Having user-generated content in this style would be great and pretty affordable. Well, I hope these tips for optimizing your Amazon visual content were helpful. Remember, quality, compelling product photos and videos can make a huge difference in standing out from your comps and driving conversions. At EMA, we can completely revamp the content on your Amazon product detail pages to increase your sales and profits. You can view our pricing, portfolio, and get a free listing audit by going to emaamz.com. Also, you can get our free Amazon listing checklist by going to amzchecklist.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.